Hello friend, today we have another question and it is also important question. Just you can check the difficulty level is medium level and it is asked in many companies. You can check like that. The question says that count inversions means given an array of integers ARR, you have to find the inversion count of the array. Inversion count is the number of pairs of elements ij such that I is less than j and array of I is greater than array of j. Means I is smaller than j and array of I is greater than array of j. Just you can check. Suppose here I is here 2. 2 is smaller than 3. I and j. So there are three inversion. I and j. Array of I 2 is greater than 1. Yes. 4 is greater than 3. 4 is greater than 1. I is smaller than j and array of I is greater than array of j. So we got three pairs like 2. 2 is 2 means I is smaller than j. Here j is pointing to 1 and 2 is greater than 1. That's why one pair 4. 4 I is indicating to index 1 and j is indicating to 0, 1, 2. So an array of I is greater than array of j. So we can mark as 4, 1 and 4, 3 also. So we got three pairs. So how we will solve this question? First I will do the dry run, then I will figure out the approaches and then we can solve it. Hmm. Here, suppose this is the array. Okay, here 2, 4, 1, 3, and 5. The index is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Suppose I is here and j is here. So I is less than j and 2 is greater than 1. So it will give one pair. Suppose I is here and j is here. So I is less than j and 4 is greater than 1. The second pair. And suppose j indicates here. So I is less than j and 4 is greater than 3. The third pair. So total three number of pairs as you got as it is, so in the output as 3. So how you can say? So you can think like that. First you put the I here and j here. Whenever you got the answer you can increment the answer. Then again I put here, j put here. 4 is 4 is greater than j, yes, increment the answer. 4 is greater than 3, yes, increment the answer. 4 is greater than 5, no. And again you can put I here, again j here, then compare it. So the time complexity of this approach is bigger of n square. But you also know merge sort. In merge sort we are just dividing the array into two parts, then compare it. So I will indicate here, j will always indicate here. So in case of array of I is greater than array of j, in that case we can say like that, and here all the elements are sorted while merging. So so we can say like that, we got one pair, we got two pair. So I will solve this question with the help of merge sort. First, I will divide the array and check it. During merging of two sorted array, we will check array of I is a smaller than or equal to array of j. It is good. In case of else case, we can mark we can mark like that. Array of I is a smaller than array of j, but array I is a smaller than array j, and array of I is greater than array of j. In that case, suppose first case is this one. Array of I is smaller than equal to array of j in, so it is well, there is no problem because I is indicating here, j is indicating here. But in else case, array of I is greater than array of j. In that case, we can answer equal to answer plus whatever the length of the array means left dot length minus of I, because suppose here this one both are sorted, so we can say that this one is greater, this one is greater this one, it is confirmed that it is also greater than this one. That's why I have taken 2 here. Means length is 2 minus 1, 1 will be greater, so that's why I wrote here is left dot length minus of I, and do same thing because it is sorted here. So means this one is greater than this one. So it is confirmed that this one is also greater than this one. That's why left dot length minus of I is the student answer. So this approach has time complexity of big O of n log n. Means this question is based on merge sort. If you don't know the merge sort, you can check first merge sort. Then you will easily got this approach. Okay, miss in merge sort, what we are trying to do. Suppose here array this one. We are just dividing the array into two parts. One is this one, two. One is three. Again we are dividing to one here. And while merging it is sorted, it is also sorted, so you have to check it, and I is indicating here, j is indicating here. So this one array of I is greater than array of j, so we can say that answer equal to answer, it will give one answer. So it is sorted, so suppose this one is greater, so remaining are also greater. That's why I am adding answer equal to answer plus left dot length minus of 5. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Same here, 1 will go here, 2 will go here. It will again divide 1, 1. You can check, okay? So, this is the approach to solve this question. Okay, now I am going to solve this question in gigs for gigs. Suppose first one. Hmm. So I will create one static variable answer, static int answer, and I mark as answer equal to 0, helper, I have passed in, and return answer. Public void helper. Okay, then in suppose if array, okay, if array dot length equal to 0 or array dot length equal to 1, just return. Then if left equal to new int of array dot length divided by 2, int right equal to new int array dot length minus left dot length. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Then I will try to store the value into the left array. For int I equal to 0, I is less than left dot length and I plus plus left of I equal to array of I and k equal to 0 or int I equal to left dot length, then I is less than array dot length, then I plus plus, and right of k plus plus equal to array of I. Okay, int k equal to 0, I have taken it, k will increment. Then after that I will call to helper again. Helper left with left array, then helper for right one, then for merging merge left right. Okay. Sorry, public void merge in left array, in right array, and int arr. Okay. Hmm. From here, hmm, pass arr. Okay. For int I equal to 0, int j equal to 0. Okay, and int k equal to 0. Okay, while I is less than left dot length and j is less than right dot length. First I will check it if array of I is smaller than array of j or greater than, you can take like that. So array of k plus plus equal to okay, why it is written here left and right. Okay, then k equal to left of I, then plus plus. If else case means here array of I is greater than left of I. hmm. Is it clear? And I is a small, I is smaller than j because I is a start from 0 index and it will, and j will start from mid. Is it clear? So I can write like this: answer equal to answer plus whatever the length of the left array, left left dot length minus of I, because left of length here it is getting greater, then again the next element is also greater, then next element is also greater. That's why I write left dot length minus of I. Okay, is it clear? Then array of k plus plus equal to right of j and j plus plus. Okay, you got your answer. Suppose Hmm. Suppose I applied for merge sort here, and while left of I is less than equal to right of I, update the array of I k plus plus equal to here. And here, if left is greater than right and I is smaller than j, answer equal to answer plus left dot length minus of I. Okay, and same here, completed. But while I is less than left dot length. In that case, I will have to check copy and paste array of k plus plus equal to hmm, and k equal to 0. It will increase the value of k. Okay. Hmm, okay. Hmm. Suppose here it is empty, then it will move further and store into the answer. While j is less than right dot length, then I will start from here and j plus plus. I think it is over, and you will get the expected output as uh, here. Hmm. Then I have created one answer as a global variable. Okay, so answer equal to 0, it will click it. Let's try to compile and run. Okay, identifier. Okay, PUB. Let's see, public. Hmm. Why I am getting runtime error? Suppose array dot length equal to 0 or array dot length equal to 1. Return left equal to array dot length divided by 2 and right equal to new int array dot length minus left dot length. Okay. For int I equal to 0, I less than left dot length I plus plus left of I equal to here. Then k equal to 0. Right of k plus plus equal to Mhm, mhm, mhm. It has started from left dot length. I is smaller than okay. Then you can call for left. It is calling for right and merge it. Hmm. I j k while I is less than left dot length and j is less than. So in that case, I is smaller than or equal to array of j here. So array of k plus plus equal to left of I plus plus. Here answer equal to here j. While I is smaller than j, increment the value of I here and okay. Hmm, 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 hmm. Yeah, just right. Hmm. And if while merging, I will choose conjugate while j is less than right dot length no. And here I will write j j plus plus. Hmm. Yes, I got expected output because here right of I. No, it is right of J. Now I am going to submit the code. Yes, and all the test cases are passed. Thank you for watching. Don't subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye. See you in next class.